Sir? Sorry to disturb you at this hour, sir, but we've heard from Humpty Dumpty.
Oh, come on, Stebbings. You can tell me. Who's Humpty Dumpty?
Perry on Bundy Island. He reports enemy landings here on Despair, here and here on Greater and Lesser Semengo, and here on Prince Consort.
They've ringed him in pretty well, haven't they?
He says they don't know that he's there yet, but he expects somebody along at any time now and requests to be withdrawn.
Well, combat can't spare a thing, Stebbings. All our planes and ships are committed. Who's our nearest man?
I'm afraid he is, sir. Briar Patch calling Mother Goose. Come in, Mother Goose. Briar Patch calling Mother Goose. Come in, Mother Goose. Do you read me, Mother Goose? This is Briar Patch. Do you read me, Mother Goose?
Yes, I read you. What's even worse, I can hear you. Now, what do you want? Walter, I haven't been sleeping too well because I've treated you so badly, so I'm going to make it up to you.
Whatever it is, Frank, the answer is no.
Well, I don't blame you, sport. I don't blame you at all.
I'm not listening, Frank.
But supposing I got someone to repair your boat for you.
I'm listening, Frank.
And after it's repaired, to stay on there as your replacement.
Who is he?
Malcolm Perry. He's one of our regulars.
When can he be here?
Tonight too soon?
No, Frank, tonight's just fine. Just fine.
It's just one small thing.
Uh-oh.
He's not able to get to you, so you'll have to go and fetch him.
From where, Frank?
Bundy Island.
Bundy? How'd you suggest I get there, Frank?
Well, that launch of yours has a dinghy, doesn't it?
All those miles of open sea and back again in a 7-foot dink? You're nuts.
Shall I call him back, sir?
Frank,
Yes, Walter?
suppose I could make it to Bundy. Where would I put in, the South Jetty?
That's right. Only be careful. There's a pretty fair moon tonight.
You got some special reason for telling me that, Frank?
No. Only it'd be better without a moon.
Why, Frank?
Well, Bundy's liable to be occupied.
With what, Frank?
Oh, I said would be.
Frank,
Yes, Calder?
kiss my foot, Frank.
If he leaves within the hour, he should make Monday just after dark.
But, sir, you heard what he said. He won't go to Bundy.
Frank,
Yes, Walter.
all those miles of open sea, a man would need something to keep warm, wouldn't he?
2 bottles.
All of them, Frank.
3.
All of them, Frank.
5.
All of them, Frank.
Got a pencil. Number 4 is 10 yards west of the shack under a mango.
5 is 30 paces from there, due north, in a stunted bar.
Just a second, slow down.
Number 6.